Hey folks, it's me again, and we're back with some makeup. What we're going to do today is going to use some Nye Nose Scar Wax and create a big laceration wound up my arm, just using the wax. So first of all, get your wax, get your spatula, and dig out a good chunk of the wax, and then just mark out where you want the cut to be, or the big laceration to be, and then just feather it down into the skin and blend it out. So how is everyone's week going, or been? You know, is it good? You know, what's happening, what's new? Leave a comment in the description below to let me know. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to smooth that all out. I'm just going to use a stippling brush with a little bit of Vaseline. Coat that brush with the Vaseline. And just do circle motions around everywhere I just put the wax. This also like smooths out everything. And now that's pretty much all smoothed into the skin. I've got a nice little scar in the making there. Getting your spatula again. Just carve out where you want your laceration to be. Do this very carefully. Don't want you to hurt yourselves. Keep feathering and smoothing that out, and opening it up a little bit. Make it all gnarly, and then blend out with that Vaseline. And just do a little bit of alcohol, a bit of IPA, and just dissolve that. But it's going crazy. Just using that alcohol just to blend and soften those edges. That's quite a gnarly scar or laceration. And now the fun bit, going with the colour. So I'm using the Nails Materials FX palette and going straight in, and I'm going to go straight in with the Old Blood colour, which is this one here. I'm doing very thin washes of that in the wound. Now I'm going with a bit of the fresh blood look. I'm going to mix that with a little bit of the yellow. Literally just drip drop that all in the middle of the waxed wound. Get that yellow out. Really load up the brush with the yellow, because this is going to simulate the fatty tissues that will be underneath the blood and the skin. Now I'm going to go in with some of the bruise tones. The wound to show. Going again with the Old Blood colour. And just dotting that in. And tapping out. The good old dot and tap. Now I'm going to go back in with this stipple brush, back with the alcohol, and tap off most of that. And now pushing that down. That just dilutes some of that colour and spreads it around a little bit. Again, just put in and tap away. And going back into some of that fresh blood and some of that aged blood. Put that in. Just really put in and take away. Now I'm going to get a bit of the Nimbar Creations blood and I'm going to get it on a little, pour some into the cap and douse up a brush and then just drip it in. Drip it into the deep bits. Not loads.